Hoover Strong offers top-quality model making and casting services. We can design your jewelry in Rhino, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, or ArtCam. We can work from your CAD file or create one for you. Our CAD engineer will create a three-dimensional rendering from which we create a new model and mold. When bringing your design to life, it isn't our goal to simply create your piece of jewelry once. We want to ensure that the 100th casting will look as crisp and clean as the first. At Hoover Strong, we make it happen.